Get ready to unravel the secrets of pineapples as we delve into fascinating facts, explore their health benefits, and discover a delightful and easy pineapple recipe. 3. Fascinating facts. Did you know that pineapples are not actually a single fruit but a cluster of fused berries? Pineapples also contain an enzyme called bromelain, which not only tenderizes meat but also aids in digestion. Pineapples belong to the bromeliad family, which makes them close relatives of air plants and Spanish moss. 2. Health benefits. Packed with vitamin C, B6, and manganese, pineapples can boost the immune system, support bone health, and promote healthy skin. Pineapples are the only known source of bromelain, which, in addition to helping aid with digestion, also has anti-inflammatory properties. 1. Grilled pineapple slices with cinnamon glaze. Slice a fresh pineapple into rings. In a bowl, combine melted butter, honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Brush this delectable glaze onto both sides of the pineapple slices. Grill them over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they develop a golden caramelized crust. Serve these warm, caramelized pineapple slices as a delightful dessert or a flavorful side dish. Pineapples truly have hidden wonders. From their unique clustered structure to the bromelain enzyme and a host of health benefits, they never cease to amaze us. Do you like delicious pineapple juice? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for subscribing.